Welcome to Q&A. Are you ready? So let's go. Question number 1. In Chinese culture, which animal is associated with the start of a new year in the Chinese zodiac? Option A, tiger. Option B, mouse. Option C, kangaroo. The correct answer is option B, mouse. Question number 2. What is the national animal of Australia, often associated with pouches? Option A, bald eagle. Option B, elephant. Option C, kangaroo. The correct answer is option C, kangaroo. Question number 3. In Native American folklore, which animal is considered a trickster and a clever character in many stories? Option A, monkey. Option B, coyote. Option C, owl. The correct answer is option B, coyote. Question number 4. In Egyptian mythology, what animal is often depicted with the head of a falcon? Option A, Horus. Option B, phoenix. Option C, Loch Ness. The correct answer is option A, Horus. Question number 5. Which animal is considered sacred in Hinduism and is associated with the god Ganesh? Option A, caribou. Option B, anteater. Option C, elephant. The correct answer is option C, elephant. Question number 6. What is the national symbol of the United States representing freedom and strength? Option A, owl. Option B, bald eagle. Option C, a bat. The correct answer is option B, bald eagle. Question number 7. In Japanese folklore, what creature is said to have a long, serpentine body and can often be found in bodies of water? Option A, koi fish. Option B, panda. Option C, snake. The correct answer is option A, koi fish. Question number 8. Which animal is associated with wisdom in many cultures and is often depicted with large, wise eyes? Option A, owl. Option B, eagle. Option C, parrot. The correct answer is option A, owl. Question number 9. In Canadian culture, what large mammal is a symbol of the country and is featured on the Canadian quarter? Option A, caribou. Option B, bear. Option C, parrot. The correct answer is option A, caribou. Question number 10. In the Chinese zodiac, which animal is associated with people born in the year of 2022? Option A, mouse. Option B, panda. Option C, tiger. The correct answer is option C, tiger. Thank you for diving deep into the world of knowledge with us today on Question and Answer. If you found this video informative and entertaining, consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our next exploration into fascinating questions. We value your input, So drop your questions and comments below. We'll be featuring some in our upcoming videos. Looking for more thought-provoking content? Check out our Q&A playlist. Stay curious, stay connected, and get ready for the next enlightening episode of Question and Answer. See you soon.